Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I'm spotting some really nice colored items for the kitchen. I do wish, these are cotton at least, but I do wish that the towels were the tea towels or the 100% cotton. Unfortunately for me, they're the microfiber, which I avoid, but let me know what you think. There's some cute plates here. There's pink as well with the Easter egg pattern that matches the towels. Napkins and the cute little bunny plates. These, by the way, if you cover them in moss, make for a really nice decor piece. Oh, the little carrots, the cloth carrots are hanging here. This is the first time I'm seeing them displayed like this, and I actually think they look cute. The eggs are fun too. This is actually a really pretty bunny. I love the details on it. Really nice. Sometimes these signs are even high for me to reach, and it's hard to get them down. The cutest. These are at HomeSense, by the way, like Marshall's Home Goods. They sell them as well. And they have the little carrots on a garland. So if you want to do a nice mantle display, they're perfect. And lots of new. Oh my gosh, for those who love rubber ducks, how cute. And they have the jelly bean look. These are all new this year. We have never had this variety in the Sesame Street. For the dinosaur lover. And unicorns. Oh my gosh, they really did a great job this year. Some really long signs, and then they have garland this year that's new. They have a variety of colors. So there's the pink, the blue, and the variety pack. They also have the gnomes. I know they're not selling as well this year. They have these stones, and they also have new metal tins with the bumblebee decal. A lot of gardening decor and supplies are starting to make their way on into the seasonal main wall, I guess. And they have these new pots. Last year we didn't have them. They actually have the removable bottom, which is awesome. So if you have some herbs or something like that, it's nice to have that bottom tray. These are back. I feel like they weren't around last year, or they were hard to come across. They have the little ones, and then the medium, and then there's a larger one as well. These are new this year, really pretty color. They have the white. It's not textured on the bottom, and then they have the traditional ones we've seen over the years. Larger pots along the top. I can't get to them, and lots of faux floral. I'm actually surprised. Somebody was looking for eucalyptus, but I think there was a nicer bundle. I'm surprised that these haven't sold yet. If you're making faux carrots and you need the tops, like a large carrot or something like that, part of a wreath, this greenery is perfect for that. Oh, this little pick here would be so cute with some eggs hanging off of it in a beautiful tall jar. These are new, aren't they? Here are some new lip moisturizers. I'm not going to attempt to say the brand here or the name, but they have creamsicle flavored, strawberry. This one is chocolate, vanilla, cotton candy, watermelon. Some really nice baskets. They're a nice size. They also have new paper bags this year, so there's 2 in a pack. They're the craft paper. I'm not in love with the patterns. I don't think that they're anything super special, but they have these new pens too. They have a variety of 10 colors per pen. And it's got a little shaker and butterfly on the top that's flexible. If you like these and you see them, buy them because they sell so fast. I don't know what it is about them. They're very popular. There's a variety of them for the different seasons. Has anyone opened one of these to see what's actually in them? Their surprise, like a little surprise Easter kit. This one's super tiny, This one looks like it might fit something bigger. I'm curious as what's in them because they are cute. I'm almost tempted to buy one of these for my daughter to just check out because she was all about the cloud butter slime, I think it was. There was a big company that was really popular there for a while, but I'm not sure that it would be this stuff. These sunglasses or novelty glasses are very pretty. They have shimmer and glitter. They have lots of headbands. Oh, look at this. Oh, they're stickers. For some reason, I thought they were actually the die kits for... These look like little peeps. Did they change the packaging on the Charles, didn't you? I felt like it was blue and white before. So we've had this bunny basket for the last few years, but they finally changed the print on the inner ear and gave you a different look. So that's nice. Beautiful baskets here, large ones. I am so terrible. When it comes to Twizzlers, I absolutely love them. I already put one of these in my cart. If anyone has tried them, they're the lemony ones. This package is bigger. I might actually grab them as well. I hear some of them are on clearance at certain stores, so you are lucky if you got them on clearance. They're not on clearance here. These are cute. They remind me of when I was a kid. I never liked eating them, but they're just fun to wear. The Water Bridge. Has anyone tried these milk chocolate bunnies? This is a pretty good company. So they have peeps. It's only one row, and they only have the chicks, I guess, not the bunnies. These are always good. Nice little treat for Easter. They have the mini eggs as well. They have new prints on the bunny ears this year, which is cute. They've always had the same prints for a few years, so it's nice to see something new. By the way, they have the yellow little chicks as well. What do you do with the peeps? Do you make s'mores? I don't know. And these are the micro mini eggs. These disco ball themed straws are so fun. They're silver, and there's also a pink set, and I think I'm going to have to grab them for my daughter's birthday because they're just too cute. These novelty glasses actually look like cake. Check out all of these. So you can use even like a game day. You can do like a video game party. It doesn't have to be just for football. So you can get creative. These are new. They have the plates as well, and the napkins that match with the yards, I guess, on them. Very well done here at Dollar Tree, I have to say that. I have to give them credit for continuing to bring in new things. I just learned something from a well-versed employee that works here. If these have a little symbol in behind the car, they are a rare item. Always nice to learn something new. I don't need to be here in the craft aisle, but I will just take a peek, as I always say, to see if there is something new. And if there is, I like to share it with you. But even in the stickers, like, nothing really major. I think these might be maybe newer. Yeah, I think these are as well. Yeah, definitely haven't seen them before. There's usually Disney stickers or reward stickers, but not these specifically. Lots of wood. And they have the little crochet. They're so cute. These kits, I'm so tempted to buy one, but I know I won't use it. And these are amazing if you're a paper crafter. You know that there's just such nice textures and different prints of paper. I keep wondering, is there a specific white? This is new. It's open though, it has like a laser cut. This piece actually makes for the stackable book look. You can do like the full books. I have polymer clay here. I actually needed the beige. This is brand new at Dollar Tree. I'm so excited about it. It's just such a pretty bin. They also have these with the gold and the rose gold. Which one do you like better? And these I think I spotted, yeah, I did a few weeks back and I shared them with you. So I think the New Year line with the calendars. Shipping labels, these are always handy to have because you can print stickers on them. If you have a printer, you can make your own printed stickers. Using Canva, you can design them or print images off Google. I just had to share this beautiful showpiece end cap with all the glass. Isn't it so beautifully arranged? It's always nice when there's new pieces as well. You can cement paint this and give yourself a brand new look. Let's go down the pet aisle, somewhere I don't spend enough time in, and I know some of you appreciate looking in here. They have treats, they have the doggy stuff, they have the kitty stuff. These look fun. I was at Marshall's and actually spotted some glassware that looked so similar to this. Like the detail on the glass, I'm not sure what it would be called, maybe ridge. These look like the ones from Costco, very heavy. Same with the tall one. I actually have a set from Costco. They look so similar, but it doesn't say. These magnetic boards are fairly new. Magnetic and a white erase board. They have some really pretty pens to go with your journaling. I like the ink colorful pens as well. Always like to look to see if there's anything that's like 100% cotton. And these are new. This is like I'm in the toiletry, not the makeup aisle, but the toiletry aisle, and I feel like these are all newer items. Body spray, they're small though, right? So tiny. And there's some new bath bombs, fizz bombs, I don't know. These are new too, and they're made by Crayola. I just don't know if they would stain your bathtub. If anyone has used them with the kiddos, maybe let us know. This looks fun too. It's peachy keen. Little rainbow bath bombs, some foot care here. This is all new stuff. So there's the olive oil based one and then the cocoa butter one. Oh, they have Hello deodorant. Some new Dove product here at Dollar Tree. We haven't seen these before. Very nice. And then I thought I would check out the makeup stuff because I haven't really gone through this. There's some new bags. Lots of tools. Again, if you're needing nail clippers and all that stuff, Dollar Tree has a good variety. Sometimes you'll find e.l.f. products, which is really great too. I like that they have 3. These are new. And bronzer drops, these sell so fast. As soon as they hit the shelf, they're gone. I don't know if they're really popular with the teens, but I do know that they sell instantly. Here's a new line. Anyone know anything about this? So, oh, it's by Global Beauty. They have Indeed here. So these are all Global Beauty products. If anyone's tried them, maybe let us know. I don't know much about them. This is normally found at just like department stores, the Indeed line. It's always nice when there's new brand name, like lip chap, I guess, Nivea for men. And there's some other ones here. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today, and until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
If days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass, would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces